There's simply too many cases to test. Guys, it's been a while since I've been here, but I wanted to test out the latest and greatest cases for the iPhone X durability wise. So I test them out for looks, functionality, but today we're gonna test the grunt of the cases and see how they do against a 50-foot fall. So back at our usual spot. It's been a while, over a year since this last test, but hey, got, oh my gosh, all these cases, latest and best stuff that you guys actually chose on Twitter. So we're gonna be testing those out, and we got a bunch of iPhone Xs as victims. So before you guys get up in arms about this, first off, I'm going to be recycling some of them from my older tests, the water tests. They're still functionally sound how they should be structurally, but some of them just aren't working. So I'm being smart about this. But anyways, I wanted to see the durability, how it'll affect the iPhone X, which by the way has a stainless steel border, an organic LED display. It's actually, for me, one of the most durable phones I've tested. I've seen otherwise on the internet, so we'll have to see. But the latest and greatest cases right there, we'll be testing them out. So we've got some good ones like OtterBox, Speck, UAG, the Catalyst series, Crash Guard, and so on. So, all right, guys, I got my iPhone Xs, got my cases. Let's get to it. And yeah, kind of hate doing this test because of how much destruction there usually is, but the newer the phone is, I noticed the better it does. So I don't actually expect to break too many here, maybe 1, 2, 3 max. We do have screen protectors on all of them, just so you know, because you don't want to use your iPhone without a screen protector. And I'm going to try and drop them the same way, but let's get started. All right, so we're going to start with the OtterBox Defender. You cannot go wrong with this brand. I've been testing these for years, and most of the time they do really good. I mean, this is just like the well-known brand for durability. All right, it takes a while to get it on properly, but it's solid. It feels like it'll handle this easily. All right, super windy days, so these things actually might become a little aerodynamic and fly over, but I'm going to try and land them on the edge just like this. So, all right, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, right on the back. All right, what do we got here? Back impact. See, it landed right there by the camera lens. Popping out over here, but it looks unharmed. Cool. And we're golden, except this little plastic piece flew out of here. All right, next case. All right, let's dig in the goodie bag here, see what we got. So, oh, all right, let's test the Catalyst. Cool. Dang, I actually really like this. It's got this tactical feel to it, but it's really slim. I wonder how it'll do. It does protect the back though. All right, super sleek looking Catalyst. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Ooh, boy, that was a smack. That did not sound good. Oh boy. Yeah, so not only did the camera lens break, the entire back shattered, and the phone is warm out of nowhere. Holy crap. Maybe the battery got bent in there. Straight on the back. Probably not going to survive in such a slim case, but hey, I like how it feels. If it was on the side, I'm pretty sure it would have survived. All right, one down. Let's keep going here. Got another one working perfectly, and a Lifeproof FRE iPhone X series. Nice colors, actually. It's been a while since I've had to use one of these. I used to use them with my iPhone 5S. This is technically a waterproof case, but also life-proof, so it'll handle pretty much anything you throw at it, and it actually looks pretty dang good. I like this color scheme here. All right, man, that actually looks pretty dang nice. Really makes you appreciate that display. Wow. All right, Lifeproof FRE for the iPhone X. 3, 2, 1. Oh man, that jumped. We got some battle scars on here. Oh hey, oh no, and it was doing so well. It literally hit something in the corner here, and the glass is cracked. What a shame. We're going through these way too fast. I'm not gonna have enough by the end of this video. Oh no, hey, sweet. The screen protector saved it. I thought that it actually broke on the display. That's crazy. It's flawless underneath. Oh man, you got me there. So with the screen protector, Lifeproof did pretty dang nice. Let's replace that and keep going. Still surviving. Now we got the X-Doria Defense Lux. This is also one of my favorites. Great design. Looks good, matches a silver. Let's see how it does in a drop. Alrighty. here we are. Hoping this one does well, because I really like this case actually. The detail on it is pretty nice. All right, you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh man, that was a side impact for sure. Oh man, look at that. Deformed the case completely, so that aluminum is warped. And in the past with the iPhone 6s, you would see that deformation continue through the frame. The steel here is so dang durable. It holds on its own, no bend. Yeah, it's literally like peeling off on the edge, and it is plastic. That's so weird. It didn't crack, but oh wow, it's gone haywire. So it is still working. You can hear the sound, but the screen is just flashing green. Is that a survivor? Technically, durability wise, the case did its job, even though it's shaped like a banana now. But the phone is not turning on. I'd say that this is a win for sure. Wow, well look at that. That's crazy. Got a big line going through. So definitely not as durable as the older iPhones. I mean, they never did this, but the screen held up. Hey, that's funny. I've literally never seen that. Next up, the Griffin Survivor Extreme. One of the fabled best cases of all time for drops. It's got this thick mesh going around its border. I think this one will do pretty well. I like how you assemble it, definitely. All right, this damaged iPhone 10 screen is still intact though. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. The design of the case made it prone to being ejected, but also a safety feature, I guess, because the iPhone is still alive and working. Cool. Oh wow, it did get hit badly on the stainless steel border here, but the glass is still intact on both sides. Pretty dang impressive. And we got the Tech21 Flex Shock. I've honestly never understood the appeal of these. They're not that great in my opinion. Looks good though, actually. I like the back patterns. Tech21. The screen is not responding, it's intermittent, but I feel like this will not survive. It's pretty slim. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Oh, corner shot. I think that was good. All right. Wow, you can see how the thick border did its job. The phone even started working, so it kicked it into living again. Cool. I'm pretty impressed with the Tech21. All right, and the Trianium. So these haven't had much luck with in the past. They tend to shatter. Pretty slim, covers all the ports. Just don't like the plasticky feel, and this leaves an air gap between your display. So I'm not liking that, but pretty good looking, I'd say. In 3, 2, 1. Quite the impact there. Glass seems to be unharmed. Still tweaking out, but gave it another jolt into life again. But it did survive, it did its job. So that is another win. Cool. All right, so next up is the Spigen air cushion. Looks pretty dang good. It feels great in the hand. It's a very matte feeling. So I like that. I like that you can see the back. Let's see how it does against the drop. Amazon's best-selling case. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. It's like tweaking out. The Spigen did this one in. Pretty bad on the back here. Ouch. Screen's popping out. This thing took a lot of abuse before caving in. Wow, the stainless steel even warped. That's how big of an impact it is. Like, literally popped up over here from the impact. That's crazy. Okay, definitely not a survivor. Here we are, the next one. Popping these things out like candy. One of my favorites out of the ones we'll be testing, the UAG Monarch. This is the hardened version from UAG. It's got metal plate inside. I mean, this thing is one of the most durable that I can tell just from holding it. Okay, UAG, working iPhone 10. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it hit the post. Wow, we cheated this one. That was a double whammy. It hit the floor and the post at speed. I love the crimson here. It looks amazing. Huge impact point, but the case is still in pretty good shape even. Phone is alive, working. Internal damage, let's see. Nothing. Cool. definitely a winner here. Next up is the Speck Presidio grip. Funny thing about Speck is I've been using these since the iPhone 3G days, so these really go back with me. Alrighty, the Speck, beautiful color scheme, really pops against the backdrop here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh man, what is going on? Okay, that is certainly a first. So the screen is fine. Popped out a little. Oh man, that is bad. Look at that. That is a total failure. Oh my gosh. Okay, Speck, for a moment there, I believed in you. So the Pitaka Kevlar case. This is my personal favorite iPhone case. I use it on mine, and it's made out of real bulletproof material, which is kind of cool. It's one of the slimmest cases I've used, so a little disclaimer here, if it doesn't survive this, I don't blame it at all. It's not meant for extreme durability. It's kind of meant for minimal, you know, just to protect it in case of a small fall. But hey, I'm gonna put it to the test here anyways. Definitely one of the most amazing looking cases for sure. All right, I really want this one to do well, just to show you guys how amazing this case is. But all right, 3, 2, 1. Oh no, that was so bad. I saw the green lines from up here. Okay, definitely the worst impact. Oh my gosh, look at that. So completely demolished. The case is in good shape. The steel band is starting to get separated. Oh man, definitely the worst here. Holy crap. So it will not even boot up anymore. It's just resetting, restarting. Wow, I gotta say that the iPhone 10s, I haven't broken this many iPhones since our old iPhone 6 videos on this. That's crazy. All right, so next up, the Apple leather case here. Definitely not meant for durability. All right, Apple leather case. Beautiful color here. Drop it in 3, 2, 1. Ouch. Straight on the screen. Oh man, that is bad. Completely shattered. Oh shoot. Voiceover. Wow, that actually survived a face down fall. I mean, this carried most of the grunt here for sure. I cannot believe that. But the screen did not crack. Definitely no border protection on the Apple cases, so definitely mostly just for looks, but hey, he did survive. Pretty cool. Alrighty, and the crash guard. So final one from Rhino Shield here. Honestly thought we'd be doing better on the iPhones, but I've already broken 4. And this one did well from like a 250-foot fall that we did on my channel earlier, which is kind of crazy. So here we go. All right, last one. I am tired of breaking iPhones. The Rhino Shield crash guard. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm so done breaking iPhones. Oh, hey, it did actually survive here on the front. Oh, the back continued to be torn into shreds. And there's the impact point. All right, guys, so here is the aftermath, and let's rule out the survivors and non-survivors. So this guy, Catalyst, fortunately did not survive. Apple one technically did. The Pitaka did not. The Spigen did not. Speck did not either. And the Rhino Shield. So right here, can't go wrong with any of these guys. Overall, I have to say I chose the best looking, some of the best selling cases on the market, and whichever one you want, I mean, can't go wrong with it. I personally recommend UAG, definitely one of the better ones here. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more. Peace.